Hey, Transactor. My name is Ruby, your customer success manager. Today I will guide you how to set up pricing if you have consumption-based service. To begin with, go to the listing and go to the pricing plan section. Click on add pricing. Name the pricing plan. Let's just call it base plan. You can add the product description here. Click on next. You will see 4 options here. The last option is if you wish to sell this pricing exclusively for a customer, you can create a private plan. You can see this option is disabled for this listing because this listing is not published, or you can say it's not live. The above 3 options are for public plan. The first option allows you to sell the product everywhere where Microsoft handle tax. You can click on this link and you can check the list of the countries. The second option is for sales in countries where Microsoft doesn't handle taxes. This means you will need to handle tax by yourself. The third option is if you wish to sell the product to a specific country, you can click on this option and then you can select the countries from the list. So for this example, let's just choose the first option. Click on next. You will select the pricing module, flat rate or per user. Because this example is for custom dimension, let's just choose the flat rate. Choose the subscription length as 1 year. You can choose per month or one time. Choose the currency here. Since this consumption example doesn't have upfront payment, so let's just put 0 here. You have an option here to add multi-currency. Microsoft automatically converts prices for different countries, but sometimes the conversion creates odd numbers. So you can add multi-currencies here to keep the pricing neat. And for this example, let's just enable custom dimension. I have put here the payment for January month. Click on configure. Under unit, just put the same name. For the quantity, if the number of units included in the flat rate, you can just put the number of unit here. Since this example, the units are not included in the flat rate, so we are just going to put 0. Choose the currency here and add the amount. For this example, let's just do $1,000. Save it. And for the second month payment, you can just use Feb, click on configure, the same thing. You can add multiple custom dimensions here. Once it's completed, just click on add pricing. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.